Hi guys, I hope you are all well. I'm Akbar with youvibes. Today we are going to learn to how to create print report in Oracle APEX. So first of all, let me show you how to report will work. So let's start. Guys, this is a classic report. You can create a classic or interactive report when you would press or click on a print button. A report would be showing in a browser. You can print from here, save, and you can print all setting from here. Okay, so let's start. First of all, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm Akbar. Please follow SOP regarding COVID-19. We are going along to how to reprint report in Oracle APEX. First of all, we would create a region type, maybe a classic, maybe a interactive. Then we would create a button. Then we would assign a dynamic action on that button and paste a JavaScript code. So let's start. We would create page, report, classic report, assign name, assign any name, print report, pressing next, assign navigation menu, next, assign any name, source name, table name, queue name which you want. I'm assigning source EBX activity for activity types. Then we would press on create button. Next, create. Now I'm going to press run button. You can see our report has been ready. Now we would create attempt second step, region button, right click, assign create button, assign any name, print. Now I'm assigning dynamic action. Action would be a JavaScript code. Paste. This code here. Okay. Save. Just change print button position. Edit. Save. Guys, you can get this code from my Facebook page. Okay. When you press on print button, you can see your report has been ready for printing on a printer. So guys, our tutorial has been successfully. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, this code, you can get this code from my Facebook page. So subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Thanks you. Goodbye.